Jotono lamchak sawo rajahani khupo channel dekhai mungkhe dobin chongpringse Mizoram Assam Tripura Manipur Indian phathar tonai Bangladesh Myanmar tini nambus kamo khupokta tui bimokhe
chawmanu RD blog by msing tinio bo keha society product ni bo pandawo bangma huba haba kheye tonero moi thung phalmung ma phongtho aboni tuye keha corporate laithan mawokhe kanchanporo keha office khusaphiu akhe tokhe chawmanu blog ni msing jottoso BC ba panchayat tonero Huhba haba tange sa tonero buskangwo moi thung thai thung pha nema abodi kheye bo system khe moma keha government ni project abodi kheye tinio samunu po khusalai ha akhe achuk lai ha boro srai srai khe saklai eknari ha now joto grundi
in our outlet things will be available such as pesticides or fertilizers and other agricultural materials etc. So here it is. Thank you for your Namaste everyone. Myself Binom Torian, Secretary of Samno Farmers Producers Cooperative Society Limited Secretary. I have with me on my left this society's President Sir Preolal Chakma and also Vice President on my behind Ms. Lokhirani Chakma. This society's CEO Sir Khogendro Tripura on my right, and on my right we also have this society's accountant Ms. Nomita Chakma and all the board of members on my back. A very good afternoon to you all. This society is under the Tripura Cooperative Society Act 1974. Our society's implement agency is NCDC and our CBBO is Wellnex Seeds India Private Limited. Till now, we had received fund from our implement agency, that is NCDC, a sum of rupees 3,40,000. With this fund, we have purchased our office furnitures, our office rent, and under this fund, we will give our CEO and accountant's salary for 6 months. And other necessary items are yet to be purchased. We have a total number of members, 127 till now. And the activities of farmers under our cooperative society limited will be like cultivation of pineapples, mangoes, pumpkins, sesame, and a large scale of broom is grown in this region. Our FIG formation is under process, and after collecting the share money, we will apply for equity grant. After obtaining equity grant, we will open an outlet in our society, for the benefits of the shareholders and our farmers of our cooperative society limited. Like in our outlet, things will be available such as pesticides.
Tre video ta mai son en ba panda wara jahani khupo channel bai nang krong ye tonde akhe che video rawa ho ye karin chunai tung siang ke wine screen bo number ye timo Facebook akhe WhatsApp wa nang hoi mayo akhe krong ye nang kari mai mo ngo